Question marks. So when you finish this set of slides, you're going to be able to tell what a question mark is. You're going to be able to write questions using capital letters at the beginning of the sentence and a question mark at the end of that sentence. So questions are something that you ask something. You're expressing what the thing that you're wondering is. Questions always start with a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and always end with a question mark at the end. So, for example, a question is, where is your house? And the answer for that is, I live on Cambridge Ave. So a question means that you have to wait for someone to answer you. Questions start with these words: who, what, where, when, how, and why. Who. Here are some examples of a question that begins with who. So who is the last person you talked to? And you can see that who has a capital letter and it ends with a question mark. Who is your favourite teacher? Who is your favourite book character? So those are questions and you're waiting for someone to reply to you. What is your favourite TV show? What is your favourite food? What do you want to do when you grow up? And again, you can see that each of those questions starts with a capital letter and it finishes with a question mark. Where is another way that you can begin a question. Where do you live? Where do you want to go on holiday? Where do you like to go for fun? And again, beginning with a capital letter, and each of those questions finishes with a question mark. When do you go to bed? When were the most scared you have ever been? When was the time, it should be, that you have been the most scared you've ever been? When is your birthday? Again, capital letter at the beginning, question mark at the end of that sentence or question. How are you feeling right now? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How would you describe your day? So you're waiting for someone to reply to that question with their answer. Why is another one. Why should you read for 20 minutes a day? Why should you show kindness to others? Why is school really fun? Have a look and see, do those sentences, do they have a capital letter and do each of them have a question mark? So again, here are some of the words that begin a question: who, what, where, when, how, and why.